Howdy, howdy. It's Kenchi. And Kiona. Say hey, MVPs.
She says it all the time, man. The camera's not working. Like all the time.
Yep. So, guys, Moki's looking all kinds of juicy. Yeah. And Kiana's looking all kinds of cute. And I'm looking all kinds of sexy. So where are we going, Moki?
Chili park tomorrow, as Kiana calls it, I guess.
Yeah, we're going to the park. So, yep, we're heading to the park, and then after the park, we're going to grab a bite to eat.
I think you should grab a bite to eat first before we all fall on the ground. Pass out in the playground.
And then we'll grab a bite to eat. No, we're going to grab a bite to eat. I don't know. Cause the thing is, she'll want to grab, you know, she won't pitch a fish. She's hungry leaving the park though. She shouldn't pitch a fish. She's hungry leaving the park.
She's gonna pitch a fish. You hear what she does? That's what you neglect. You can't neglect eating. What are you talking about?
Yeah, alright, we'll go eat first. Then go to the park. Then go grocery shopping so we can grill out.
Oh my goodness, that chicken the other day. Did I vlog? Oh, I didn't even think I've edited it yet. You know what? I'm having a major space issue and my computer's going back to complete garbage. So,
Moki's gonna make a GoFundMe for a new laptop.
No, I have all these snippet. No, that's why I have all these snippet little vlog things. Because I'm just gotta work with what I've got. So I'm just working with what I've got. So I don't know if I've edited the vlog yet or not, but I think I have to edit it actually. So yeah, but that chicken, oh my goodness, we could not control. We ate 2 family packs, basically 2 family packs of chicken. So we had like leftovers for the next day. But we ate like 2 family packs of chicken. That stuff was, oh my goodness, wow.
They got the pot. They got the pot.
That spring's coming around.
It's finally warm outside. Oh my, it's like a tiny chill in the air, but I'm ready. I am ready to be in warmth right now. So.
Yeah.
Oh.
And it's warm enough. It's warm enough to be in shorts and stuff. So.
As you can tell.
Yeah, I was gonna put on a jacket, but
nah, no.
No. I need you in place.
But yep, got my more back, guys. Got my more back. Didn't I? Oh my dacious. Loved it, loved it, loved it. You want to taste some sour cream?
Taste the sour cream.
Alright, here we go.
It tastes like sour cream.
Is it good?
It tastes like sour cream.
You don't like sour cream? Huh? You want a bite?
No.
No, thank you.
No, thank you.
Okay. I know this isn't a definite answer.
No, thank you.
They have no taste. So, Moki, what'd you get?
Pollo adobo.
Pollo adobo. And I got burrito something number 8. It looks good. I got my side of sour cream. And Keeb's gonna eat from both of us. Alright guys, Linda said this was incredibly disgusting, but I think it's awesome. I took my sour cream and then I mixed it in with all my stuff. Then I put salsa on it. She said, what did you say? Disgusting. Disgusting? I think it looks awesome. What do you guys think? Alright guys, Moki had to take Keebs to the bathroom. So she don't like sour cream. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna play a little trick on her.
Hello, how are you today?
There we go. That's what her reaction is. Welcome back.
Get back in your chair.
Welcome back. Hey Mookie.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I'm branding my
Daddy! I cleared the bathroom.
Oh.
freaking out the garbage.
Oh, you are?
So I got
Allegra. Okay. What?
You think it's funny. Dang it.
Was that creepy look, Keith?
Cleared the bathroom, Daddy.
You used the bathroom? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright guys, I'm gonna continue eating.
Daddy.
So guys, as you can see, Moki's wearing a pretty hot, sexy outfit. Man, she broke a lot of necks in Food Line. There's like people walking, so I'd be like, oh, and breaking their necks. Moki's down the road before we crash.
I am down the road.
So yeah, guys, Miss Hotcakes was causing some neck strain in Food Line, if you know what I mean.
Oh my goodness.
She was turning some heads, which I was beside there going.
You know you were your head full with Kion on your shoulders.
Yeah, I had Kion on my shoulders. I'm her horsey, daddy horsey. Is it right, Kiona? Is it right, Keeps? Say, yep, that's right.
Daddy.
What?
Because, Mommy, we gotta go down the slide.
Yeah, we gotta go down the slide.
Alright guys, see you at the park.
Mama,
Hey Mookie, where we at? Kiona, you're at the park, aren't we? Huh? Oh yeah?
What?
Yeah.
I didn't play my good on the playground.
At the playground?
Yes.
How did we get to the park? How did we get to the playground set? Show us the way. Show us the way. Oh, here, I'll have that. I'll have that. Whoa. Whoa.
Okay, you turn.
They come.
Whoa.
Look at
you. Hey, look. Look, look. Some money crack. Fire, fire. Let's evacuate the ship. Let's go to the playground slides.
I'm gonna get you. Poop, poop.
Let's go to the playground slides. Let's go to the slides. Let's go to the slides.
I'm coming. You gotta run faster than that, Kiana. Hey, Kiana, what happened to little sister?
Hop on swing. Whoa. Right?
Ready.
Hold on tight. Hold on tight, okay?
Yay! Look at me!
Hey!
Yeah. Look at you. Whoa. Hold on tight.
Woohoo!
Wings! Hey, no! It's not
Huh?
No!
What shape is that?
Look, what shape is this? Look. What shape is this?
Circle.
Yep.
Yep, good job. Sing, Kiana. What's your song? No song? Well, sing, Daddy.
Huh? Key. Come on. Let's play some drums. Whoa, what? I never realized this.
No.
Huh? Where's the other one at? I don't know where the other one went. Alright.
Probably got taken off.
Let's play some drums. Ah, I got you. Ah, I'm gonna get you.
Come on! Where are you two? Come on! Come on, Kiana!
I'm fine. It's not gonna go down.
Hey! Beat that out.
Wow! Look at you, strong girl. Yay! Don't rock it too hard.
Hey! Stop
Rock it, yeah, do it.
Rock it, yeah. Go this. Ooh.
You riding your ducky away?
Yeah.
You riding your duck?
Oh, you're leaving me behind. I can't catch you up. Oh, she's getting away. No.
Now we're getting ice cream. Is that right, Moki?
Yeah. Oh, tell him. You gotta tell him. You gotta tell
You're
him.
getting ice cream. Okay, guys. So what happened was this. We was at the park, right? Suddenly, this little girl was like, "Mommy, mommy, mommy," was looking around for her mommy. So like, Kiana goes up behind her, looks through the playground window, and goes, "Mommy!" Real loud, high pitch. It scares the girl beside her. The other girl, the girl that's looking for mommy, goes at Kiana.
Mama turns around, the mama.
And the mom turns around the corner and says, "I'm here, honey, I'm here, honey, I'm here." Kiana scared the crap out of everyone by screaming high pitch all of a sudden. Oh man.
She's helping the girl find her mommy.
She's helping her find her mommy. Yeah, she's helping her find her mommy. Man. But when Kiana scared the girl, Kiana looked at her kind of startled too.
The funny thing is, neither the girl nor the mother was paying Kiana any mind.
Yeah, they're just ignoring her.
Yeah, but then Kiana just said, I don't know, did she think the girl didn't hear? The mother didn't hear her, or she just couldn't find her? Nap time?
No.
No, you just chilling. Just chilling.
That's funny.
Okay.
That's funny.
Huh?
That's funny, Mommy. That's funny.
Huh?
Funny.
You funny?
That's funny.
You funny.
That's funny.
That's funny?
That's funny.
You funny.